Hey guys, I'm Staek with Augmented Evolution YouTube channel. Evolution Simulator, our first game, will involve neural networks and simulation, and will be built in Unity. Solar here will continue with a more in-depth analysis of what Evolution Simulator will become and look like.
Evolution Simulator is going to be a game where organisms are set in an environment and adapt via natural selection. Competition will be a factor. Organisms have to fight over energy sources such as plants or even each other. However, the fight to survive isn't something the organisms learn. Instead, they evolve. As they reproduce, new traits are created. Sometimes these traits are beneficial to the survival of the organism, making it more likely to reproduce and spread the trait. This is done with neural networks. Neural networks involve groups of neurons that do basic processing and pass their outcomes. Neural networks' weights are stored in a genome, which is unique to each organism. This is similar to DNA because, like life forms in the real world, DNA defines what the organism is and how it behaves in its environment.
We plan for this project to develop into an advanced simulation that models various facets of natural selection, including predation, competition, and mutations that lead to genetic drift and genetic diversity. Evolution and changes to the DNA will create adaptations within the genotype and phenotype of each generation. Organisms are forced to adapt to the competition in their environment to stay competitive with predators to survive and grow. Organisms will arrive on a randomly generated tiled hex grid map. Areas of tiles will form biomes, including deserts, grasslands, oceans, etc. Biomes will differentiate themselves with food availability, temperature, and terrain. On a massive scale, this will eventually lead to specific adaptations that suit each individual of a species to survive in their climate and habitat.
We initiated this project to understand more about the birth and evolution of species on every level of ecosystems, from individuals and populations to biomes and biospheres. There aren't many reliable models of evolution taking place visually in a reasonable amount of time. The simulation will let us create our own models of evolution in different environments and observe the outcomes, sharing them with you via this YouTube channel. Eventually we will be able to share the entire project with you publicly so you can create your own ecosystems and observe evolution on your own computer without the worry of bugs bothering your organisms.
We will post development logs as consistently as progress is being made. Once a stable build is established, we'll begin running simulations and work towards producing YouTube content for you guys. May even consider live streaming development, full simulations, or both, depending on how the project progresses.
I hope this devlog answered some of the questions you may have had. If you want more content or would like to get involved, check out our channel. Thank you and see you next time.